Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to explain about اعتمرنا app for locals, how to use it to issue Umrah permit. For this, you must have a valid upshare and اعتمرنا app must be registered under your number. This is the shape of اعتمرنا app you can find in Apple Store or Play Store. Once you open it, you have to select Umrah permit. It will take you to add companions. Then you have to add any of the companion. This will take you to the calendar. In the calendar you have to see which dates are available. Let's see here. Let me select 19 here. 19 is available. The time slot will open. I will select my convenient time, whichever is convenient for me. Then the assembling points will be shown below: Ajia Center, Shubeika, Al Ghaza, Kudai, Al Shisha Center. I will select whichever assembling point is convenient for me. Don't forget to click on obligation to see the instruction and press the continue button. Once you will press the button, continue button, it will issue Umrah permit for you. I will show you the shape of it. This is the shape of Umrah permit. Don't forget, if you select Kudai Center or Al Shisha Center, then transportation service is must to pay, which is 37.23 riyals per person. So this is the final shape of your permit. Here's the barcode, reservation number, permit number. Don't forget to bring your own rug. Don't shake hand with anyone. Plus your mask is important very much. After successfully getting your Umrah permit, for the people who want to make intention or put ihram, they can come to this point, which is Masjid al-Mu'mineen Aisha radiyallahu anha in Tan'im, and then heads toward Al-Haram. I would recommend a cab for the parking issues near Haram. And this is assembling point. Here they will check your permit and give you a wristband. This is Al-Shubeika assembling point in front of Hilton Convention beside Dar al-Tawheed. From here they will give you wristband and guide you or ask you to follow brown color line, which will lead you towards Mataf. You will enter from King Fahad Gate. Everyone coming from Al-Shubeika assembly point will enter King Fahad Gate, and they will follow the same brown color line which will lead towards Mataf. Alhamdulillah, we are blessed to perform Umrah and get Umrah permit, whereas many are trying to get Umrah permits and not getting the available date or available time. Alhamdulillah, we are blessed. May Allah accept our tawaf and Umrah. After completing your tawaf, you will head towards Al-Safa. Here I want to add that in Safa they have option to, for the handicapped people or the old age people to take electric cars to perform and complete their Umrah. Thank you, and do